Left side. Process. Next tick. 1. Key characteristics. Executes before the event loop continues. Part of the microtask queue. Higher priority than setImmediate. 2. Timing. Runs immediately after the current operation completes, before moving to the next phase of the event loop. 3. Use case. Deferring execution within the same phase of the event. Key characteristics. Executes after I/O operations complete. Part of the check phase in the event loop. Lower priority than process. Next tick. Timing. Runs after I/O events but before timers. Use case. Scheduling tasks to run after I/O operations. setImmediate visual aid suggestions. Use a timeline graphic showing process. Next tick, happening before the event loop continues. setImmediate, executing after the I/O phase. Highlight the microtask queue for process. Next tick, and the check phase for setImmediate.